Guys, how to quick to dry a pillar if no option. So instead, how many hours or direct to the sun to dry this before dry sanding until wet sanding, before put primer and paint. So I suggest to recommend, if you're uncomfortable, if not direct to the sun, or you need to paint immediately with primer and dry sanding, or ready to paint. So I recommend to you to use this heat gun. It helps a little bit to make it dry and start to dry sanding, or use a tools. Okay, so you should try to high temperature to low. Okay, this is pillar applying less than 1 hour. Okay, we try to dry. With a close and higher temperature, just cover the dent. This is my tips and sharing to you my experience and knowledge. I think before, when I was working in motors company, we use a heater to easy to dry a dent or hole. High and low, no problem to make dry this pillar. Applying earlier less than 1 hour. Let's see if it works for wet. Just to make sure, another tips to you is amazing tips. If you're not comfortable to the sun or waiting a long time or a day, I recommend to you a tips to use a dryer. Okay? Almost maybe 1 to 3 minutes done. It's up to you. You can buy a cheapest heat gun. Hot 300 Fahrenheit. You need more patience if you want to drive. But we try 1 minute or 3 minutes heat gun. That's a tip to you. Even the metal is hot. Okay? I think it's enough just to make sure. I need you a tips to use this Wagner or any heat gun. Okay? It doesn't care no matter what, if expensive or branded. Okay? Okay guys, that's only I can give to you a tip. So click the button and notification bell for short videos, tips, amazing tips, and based on my experience and knowledge, just to share to you the basic fundamental how to dry a pillar immediately. See, it's hot, so let's see, less than or more than 1 minute it works to repaint again the color. Okay, see you guys, click the button bell and the notification bell, and subscribe for more tips to come. Okay, thank you, see you.